All right, so we're gonna go and check out the Long Canyon, and one of the main features of it is, of course, the views that you have of canyon lands going down into this. And so we're gonna go drive this. It's kind of later afternoon. We already did some stuff earlier in the day that you might have seen already, but now we're focusing in on this area that we saw when we were driving in on a previous adventure, and we're like, oh man, we want to go check out that trail. That looks like a really fun Jeep trail. So now we have some time. We finished up with everything else we wanted to do, and we want to see this trail. So Long Canyon, here we come. Yeah, we're gonna go in it. We're gonna go in the tunnel. You excited?
It will walk. Whoa! Daddy, it's big. Hi, Grandma. Whoa, beagle!
Wow.
The beagle! Whoa! Wow! Whoa, the beagle! This big! This big!
Such a cool canyon.
It really is. It's just such a different perspective when you're down in the canyon and looking at these sheer walls and how high they are versus being up on the top and looking down.
Well, I'm definitely glad that yesterday we climbed that other one, really tall one, and today we're coming down this one because this one's not near as scary as the other one would have been.
Yes.
Looks like plates on there that are gonna fall off.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Tony, to the right, looks like plates set on the top of that. Little, whatever they're called.
And right here, there's two flat rocks, square, and the one on top is holding it back.
Oh, right here in front of us.
Those ones look like diving boards up above.
Come loose and take them out. That's what it looked like.
There's barely anything holding them there.
No.
You could just slide right out.
So this long canyon, that was pretty awesome. There's so many great spots here. This ending, even though it's cloudy, it's just like, it's still super, super beautiful. And these cliffs, oh my goodness, colors on them. That was pretty awesome. What'd you think, Tony?
Oh, it's probably one of my favorites.
Yeah?
That was pretty awesome, yeah.
What was your favorite part on it?
Probably that whole part coming down to that rock that we went under the rock, and then just right after that. But
yeah.
The whole thing was, awesome canyon.
That was my favorite too. Devin, what'd you think, man?
Oh, it was cool. Yeah, I like the steepness, just crawling in 4 low, especially going under that rock. Didn't look like we were gonna make it. It was close, but we fit.
I had a lot more room than it looked, but
yeah,
that was cool. Yeah, this is some pretty country. Pretty country.